truck build Q&A session questions 17, I think we're up to, is from Tracy on TikTok. And Tracy says, do you get any internal condensation on the metal walls when it's cold? So our walls aren't metal. They're actually a fiberglass sandwich panel, a bit like a cool room panel. We do have strips of metal on the walls as bracing, but essentially it's a cool room panel wall. We do get a little bit of condensation, mostly on the glass, but not as much as we used to get on the bus back and front windscreens. So we do get a little bit of condensation, but not too bad because it's not actually steel. Largely it is fiberglass, which also means it is exceptionally well insulated. And we've had a couple of really cold mornings, like -4, with frost on the inside of the car windscreen that have been quite cozy in the truck. So not a steel wall, fiberglass, and not too much in the way of condensation. Pretty good, actually.